आज हम करेंगे हाउ डज evaporation causes cooling. Now, evaporation is a endothermic process. It means that liquid absorbs heat during the process of evaporation. ठीक है ना, हमने कहा लिक्विड क्या करती है, हीट एब्जॉर्ब करती है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवेपोरेशन, एंड द हीट may be provided by the liquid itself or by the surrounding. When the evaporating liquid takes the heat required from the other part of the liquid, then the rest of the liquid cools down. And when it takes heat from the surrounding, it causes cooling in the surrounding. And both of this causes a cooling effect. So we can say evaporation causes cooling effect. Now I will explain you some daily life example of cooling effect of evaporation. First is when ice cold water is kept in a glass tumbler for sometimes water droplet appears on its outer surface. When ice cold water is kept in a glass tumbler for some time, water droplets appears on its surface. Now this is a glass tumbler. When ice cold water, this is ice. When the ice cold water is kept in a glass tumbler for some time, then what happens? The droplet appears. The droplet appears. The droplet appears on the surface of the glass tumbler because the water vapor present in the air, there is air around the glass tumbler, and the water vapor present in the air when comes in contact with the cold surface of this glass tumbler, it loses energy and gets converted to liquid state, which we can see as water droplet. Understood? I am repeating again. When a water vapor present in the air में जो water vapor है, when it comes in contact with the cold surface of the glass tumbler, it loses energy. The water vapor, it loses energy and condenses on the surface of the glass tumbler in form of water droplet. Now next is Next example is people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground on a hot sunny day. ठीक है, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground on a hot sunny day. What is the reason behind this? Now, when the people sprinkle water on the hot surface on hot sunny day, then what happens? The water get evaporated very quickly. And this evaporation leaves the surface cool due to large latent heat of vaporization of water. So this technique is quite effective in summers for cooling the surface. So after a hot sunny day, ठीक है, बहुत धूप है, दिन में बहुत गर्म है, बहुत जो आपका छत का रूफ है या फिर आगे का ग्राउंड है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया है, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, देन व्हाट द पीपल डू, दे स्प्रिंकल लार्ज वाटर ऑन द रूफ और ओपन ग्राउंड. ठीक है, लोग क्या करते हैं, दे स्प्रिंकल वाटर ऑन द रूफ और ओपन ग्राउंड. सो व्हाट हैपन, ड्यू टू large latent heat of vaporization of water, the surface of roof and open ground cools. ठीक है ना. तो what happened, due to large latent heat of vaporization of water, the surface of the roof and the open ground cools. ठीक, so this technique is quite effective in summers for cooling the surface. Therefore, people sprinkle water on the roof surface or open ground on the hot sunny day. Next is, our palm feels cool. Our palm feels cool when some acetone, एसीटोन किस में होता है, नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर में. ठीक है, our palm feel cool when some acetone which is present in nail polish remover, ठीक है, is poured. I'm again repeating, our palm feel cool when some acetone is poured. Why? What is the reason behind this? So now what happened, the particles gain energy from the palm. ठीक है, the particles क्या करते हैं, एनर्जी गेन करते हैं फ्रॉम द पाम. हमारे पाम से जहाँ पे वो गिरा है एसीटोन, उतने एरिया से क्या करेगा, इट विल गेन एनर्जी and evaporates. ठीक, और क्या हो जाएगा, evaporate हो जाएगा, causing palm to feel cool. ठीक है, आपके पाम में जहाँ पे भी एसीटोन गिरा है या आपने डाला है, what will happen? The particles, they will gain energy from that area and it will evaporate, causing palm to feel cool. ठीक है ना? Now acetone और alcohol, these are volatile liquid. क्या कहते हैं इन्हें? Volatile liquid. Now a palm feel cool because these volatile liquid evaporates quickly due to two reasons. First is, these liquid, they has less boiling point, and secondly, increased surface area exposed to air. Understood? Our palm feel cool when some acetone is poured. The reason is that the particles gain energy from the palm and evaporate, causing palm to feel cool. Our palm feel cool because this volatile liquid evaporates quickly due to two reasons. What are these two reasons? Less boiling point and increased surface area exposed to air. Next example is, why should we wear cotton cloths? Why should we wear cotton cloths in summers? Now during summers we perspire more because of the mechanism of our body which keeps us cool. तो गर्मियों में क्या होता है? During summer we perspire more, हमें पसीना ज़्यादा आता है. Perspire more due to mechanism of our body, and this mechanism keeps our body cool. Understood? तो गर्मियों में पसीना ज़्यादा आता है. पसीना ज़्यादा आने से हमारी बॉडी क्या होती है? ठंडी रहती है, कूल रहती है. ठीक है ना? Now we know that evaporation, when we're talking evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surrounding or from the body surface and changes into vapor. ठीक है, हमें पता है कि जब हमें evaporation होता है तो लिक्विड क्या करता है? बॉडी सरफेस से या फिर सराउंडिंग से, ठीक है ना, एनर्जी लेता है और वेपर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक. सो ड्यूरिंग इवेपोरेशन, जैसे कि मैंने डिस्कस किया था अभी आपसे, ड्यूरिंग इवेपोरेशन द पार्टिकल्स at the surface of the liquid gains energy from the surrounding or body surface and changes to vapor. ठीक है, I'm repeating again. Evaporation के time पे क्या होता है? The particles at the surface of the liquid gains energy from the surrounding or body surface and changes into vapor. And the heat energy is equal to latent heat of vaporization. The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body. Understood? Leaving the body cool. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. ठीक, and cotton being, हम पढ़ रहे थे कि why we should wear cotton cloth in summer, and cotton cloth being a good absorber of water helps in absorbing the sweat. ठीक है, स्वेट को एब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है और साथ में क्या करता है, उसे एक्सपोज करता है, एक्सपोजिंग इट टू द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड हेल्प इन एक्सपोजिंग इट टू द एटमॉस्फेयर फॉर इजी evaporation. So it gives us a cooling effect. Now here I am repeating again. Why should we wear cotton cloths in summer? During summer we perspire more, and when we perspire more, which is the auto mechanism of our body, keeps our body cool. Perspiration keeps our body cool. Now during evaporation, we have read that the particles at the surface of the liquid gains energy from the surrounding or body surface and changes into vapor. And this heat energy equal to latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. And the cotton, being a good absorber of water, helps in absorbing the sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. Next is why does water kept in earthen pot becomes cool during summer? Water kept in an earthen pot, or we can say matka, becomes cool during summer. Suppose this is a matka, water is kept in this matka. Okay, in the surface of this matka there are tiny pores. In the surface of this matka there is a tiny pore which helps in easy evaporation of water filled in them due to increased area exposed to air, and the energy which is required for evaporating particle is provided by the remaining water inside the matka. I am writing here. and the energy required for what? For evaporating particles is provided by the remaining water inside the matka. So it becomes cool. I'm repeating again. The water kept in earthen pot or matka becomes cool during summer. This is the earthen pot. The surface of the earthen pot contains tiny pores which helps in easy evaporation of water filled in them due to increased exposed area to air. Now, here the energy required for evaporating particle is provided by the remaining water present inside the matka, so it become cools. Or sometimes what happen, this earthen pot, in earthen pot, the tiny pores they are blocked by the dust particle. Then it is not at this moment it is not effective in cooling water because it affect the process of evaporation. ठीक है, मटका अगर बहुत पुराना हो जाता है तो उसके जो पोर्स होते हैं दे आर ब्लॉक बाय द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड at this moment this matka will not help in effective cooling of water. So these were some example related to evaporation. Thank you, students.